Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk to you about something that, well, I don't know how to explain this. Old school woodworking, okay? Now, I'm talking about wood chisels. When I start talking wood chisels, you're going to think, oh, okay, I got 7 of these little 5 wood chisels. Yeah, I got those. That's just the start. There are all sorts of chisels. It's not just the flat chisel with the different widths on it. There's with the angles on it for different widths. One going one way, one going another way. There's the cupped ones. There's the V-ditch ones. There's a whole bunch of wood chisels. And if you start using a lathe, there's even more. So you may be wondering, well, why do I need to have all these? Well, woodworking is actually a very easy to start to learn and some basic skills to fix things. All right, you break the shovel handle, you make a new shovel handle. Well, if you have a good set of chisels to do that, you can make a halfway decent shovel handle fairly quickly, get it in there, get it working again, and you're on your way again. You can make a very simple non-powered lathe. And I've talked about this on both my channels. An old TV show called The Woodwright Shop. Great show. Check it out. You'll be impressed. You'll want to learn woodworking. But wood chisels give you an option for doing a lot of things. The most common thing people use wood chisels for, fixing their doors. Now they get a new door. I got to adjust the plate here and the strike plate in the door jams. I got to chisel out and work that. Simple things like that. Or a tool, you learn on a skill doing easy stuff. So when something harder comes along, you can take care of it. All right. So think about it. You may decide, hey, this isn't for me, or you may decide, dang, I should have done that before. So think about wood chisels and adding them to your toolbox of supplies. All right, so before I take off, I'm going to leave the link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, up here, the Prepping for Beginners playlist here, and the Prepping in Private playlist down here. So you can share those with your friends, family, relatives, coworkers, so they don't come after your stuff and leave you out like this.